Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Larry here for Leoy Systems, and I got a quick one for you today. Very simple. If you own a business, okay, which is pretty much whoever's watching this, whether you're a gym, service business, a retail store, a food establishment, anything. If you're an independent personal trainer, or you're a consultant, or anybody who has operational decision making. I just want you to remember three things, okay? Number one, your customers' clients, whoever they are real people, okay? They're real people with lives and real problems and all fun stuff going on. So they may not act the greatest, they may not respond the quickest, they may not behave the way you want them to all the time, because they're human, just like the rest of us, all right? Now, another thing is no matter what you do, provide the highest value of service. Basically, everything is top-notch, 5-star, every day is the Super Bowl type of belief, right? The greatest service possible, no matter what you're doing. Whether you're selling something in retail, you're a car salesman, you're a consultant, you're a gym, whatever. Highest level of service all the time, every day. And the third thing, the last thing, is communicate with your customers and your members and your clients regularly. Email is the greatest thing. I said that in another video about email marketing. Email is a fantastic way to do that. Communicate regularly, whether it's sales, events, store closures, hour changes because of bad weather, or you guys decided to close for a company party or a company outing, which is always great. Email's a great way to do that. It, again, brings that community together. It shows your customers and clients that A, you care, and B, you treat them like family, like equals. So, recap. Number one, remember that your customers and clients and everybody who partakes in your service or your product or your store, they are real human beings with real human problems dealing with stuff that we know nothing about. So their behavior can be questionable at times, but we need to have a little bit of empathy for that. Number two, always, always, always have the top-notch quality service. I don't care what you sell, what you do, what service you provide. That service has to be top-notch, 5-star, every day is the Super Bowl type of thing, the best of the best. I don't care if you are the best of the best, but act like it. And treat everybody accordingly. And the last thing, communicate with your customers and your clients often. Weekly emails, updates, status updates on an order, status updates on a service. If you have equipment in your facility or in your business, if that equipment is not working, maybe some status updates on the equipment. I saw a gym that did some construction and posted on their social media and emailed their clients, hey, just letting you know that the gym floor is being put in right now and we should be good to go in 48 hours after it settles. It was great. People were looking forward to it. You see the comments on the post that were like, hey, great, thanks for letting us know. That's the whole purpose. A weekly email coupled with a social media post, why not? Keeps people informed, makes them feel important, makes them feel wanted, and it makes them feel good that they're giving you their time and their money. So those three things, any business, I don't care what industry you're in, that, and you'll be successful. Alrighty. Thanks again, guys, and I will see you again soon.